A disagreement over a leased horse brought two families into court after what started as a simple arrangement turned into a legal dispute. A mother leased a horse named Scout from the horse's owner so her daughter could improve her riding skills. Under the agreement, the family would care for the horse, feed him, and cover the monthly lease payments. They also believed they would have the first opportunity to buy the horse if it was ever put up for sale. The daughter rode Scout for several months, and everything seemed to be going well. Then, according to the family leasing the horse, they were suddenly informed that the owner planned to sell Scout to someone else. Feeling that their rights under the agreement had been violated, they brought the matter to court. However, the horse's owner told a very different story. She insisted that she never sold the horse at all. Instead, she simply took him back because she was unhappy with the way he was being cared for. According to her, there was no breach of contract because no sale ever took place. When the lease agreement was examined, a major problem became clear. The contract did not contain an ending date for the lease. It referred several times to the end of the lease term, but no actual lease period had ever been written into the document. It also mentioned the possibility of purchasing the horse at the end of the lease, yet even the purchase price section had been left blank. The family argued that they understood the arrangement to be month to month, but the contract itself did not clearly support that interpretation. The owner explained that the lease had always been intended as a temporary arrangement lasting only a few months. The goal was to help the daughter gain confidence while riding. Once that goal had been achieved, she decided it was time to take the horse back. She admitted that there had been discussions about eventually selling Scout to a mutual friend, but those plans were never completed. She also claimed there were concerns about the horse's care. According to her, Scout had been fed using dirty buckets, handled improperly, and ridden without important support equipment. She believed those actions contributed to an injury that left the horse unable to be ridden for several months. The family strongly denied those accusations, insisting the claims were false. However, the central issue remained the contract itself. Because the lease contained no defined term and no completed purchase agreement, the owner's decision to take the horse back did not violate the written contract. In the end, the dispute came down to a poorly written agreement that left important details unfinished, creating confusion and different expectations on both sides.